In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to reach M Industries in Monopoly Go. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. As you might be aware, the main objective of Monopoly Go is to climb through all of the boards. You can check the current board that you are on and all of the future boards that you will unlock by going over to the menu and then tapping on map. So as you can see, we start at 1 and you are able to go all the way up. Mecha Industries or M Industries is available here as the fifth board, so immediately after Paris. All that you have to do to go through from board to board is to use the money that you accumulate. So you will get money by simply rolling and landing on certain tiles, doing activities like bank heists, or you can spend real money to purchase it. And if you go over to the build window, you can fix your buildings if they have been attacked and then finish building all of them. So there's no secret to this. All that you have to do to go through all of the boards available in Monopoly Go and eventually reach M Industries and other boards is to use the money that you acquire on buildings. So as you can see, I'm going to finish these up and I should be able to showcase M Industries. Like I said, there's no secret to this. You just keep playing, you keep accumulating money by doing activities like bank heists, using your dice, rolling across the board, and once you are done, you will receive access to a new board. So in this video here, as you can see, I just unlocked M Industries. With the new board unlocked, the game repeats. So you will have a new board to play in, you will get some rewards, you will get more dice, and then, as usual, you can spend the dice to roll around the board, land on certain tiles, do the activities, accumulate money, and start building. It is super straightforward, and this is going to be the process for every single board that you can unlock. If you wish to check future boards, go over to the map, and you will be able to go all the way up to see them. I hope I was able to help you on how to reach M Industries in Monopoly Go. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.